3, 2, 1.
The chytrids, the only class in the phylum Chytridiomycota, is the Chytridiomycetes. The chytrids are the simplest and most primitive Eumycota, or true this. The answer is C, fungi. In how many different ways can you arrange the letters in mathematics? The answer is A, 72. Which bone is derived from the fusion of 4 very small coccygeal vertebrae? The answer is B, coccyx. What causes a dust devil? The answer is A, wind. What animal is the largest macropod and one of Australia's heraldic animals? The answer is D, red kangaroo. What causes polarization in a neutral object? The answer is C, separation of charges. Where would algae be safe from predators but likely die? The answer is D, the desert. Which Norse god is associated with thunder and lightning? The answer is C, Loki. What ensures that seeds germinate only when conditions for seedling survival are optimal? The answer is B, seed dormancy. What causes direct damage to the lungs? The answer is B, consuming ignited tobacco. What is UTC in terms of time? The answer is B, universal coordinated time. The word effect is used as what part of speech in the following sentence? Will lack of sleep have an effect on your performance at work? The answer is A, noun. Which country hosted the first Olympic Games after World War II? The answer is D, Germany. If environmental conditions deteriorate, many species can form protective what? The answer is D, cysts. Owen Glendower was a historic figure who appeared as a rebel leader in which of Shakespeare's plays? The answer is C, Henry Roman IV. What is a mouse used for in computers? The answer is D, for pointing and clicking. Which office item is typically used to hold paper? The answer is A, computer mouse. The town of Juarez, Mexico is located next to what U.S. city? The answer is A, El Paso, TX. Which is the capital of Argentina? The answer is C, Buenos Aires. Which continent has the highest average annual rainfall? The answer is C, South America. What type of footwear is often associated with India? The answer is B, sandals. Which popular animated series follows a family of griffins? The answer is A, Family Guy. I'm a video game character who can swim incredibly fast. Who am I? The answer is D, Crash Bandicoot. Which atom has no neutrons? The answer is A, hydrogen 1. Which U.S. president, during whose administration a U.S. embassy in the Middle East was seized, was supposedly targeted by Mexican assassins in an attack that never took place? The answer is B, Jimmy Carter. Who painted the Scream? The answer is A, Edvard Munch. Which of these players did not wear number 32? The answer is B, Nolly and Ryan. What is the device with multiple prongs for toasting bread called? The answer is A, toaster oven. What is the name of the gas formed when vinegar and baking soda react? The answer is C, carbon dioxide. Who voiced the character Homer Simpson? The answer is A, Dan Castellaneta. Who wrote the national anthem of the United States? The answer is A, Francis Scott Key. Production of abnormal white blood cells occurs in what cancer, which is the most common form in children? The answer is D, leukemia. What was the name of the first industrial city in England? The answer is A, Manchester. To pump blood through the body, the heart must overcome the force of gravity. Which body position would require the least work from the heart? The answer is D, lying down. Which economic concept emphasizes the role of markets in efficiently allocating resources? The answer is A, Austrian school. What dissolves in water when combined? The answer is A, crystal carbohydrates. What alcoholic beverage is produced from herbs including the bitter herb commonly known as wormwood? The answer is C, absinthe. What is the type of volcano with a tall cone shape that you picture when picturing a volcano? The answer is D, composite. In fashion, what does haute couture mean? The answer is C. Custom-made clothing. What is the main purpose of a defibrillator? The answer is C. Restoring normal heart rhythm. A student mixes vinegar and baking soda to use in a volcano model. The mixture causes the volcano model to feel cool when it is touched. What energy transformation has taken place? The answer is B. Heat energy changed to chemical energy. What is used to filter water before drinking it at home? The answer is D. Filter. Which of the following is the main role of flowers found on most flowering plants? The answer is B. To produce seeds. What are these examples of a person riding a carousel and a skydiver in free fall? The answer is A. Acceleration. What was the first successful flight of a rocket powered by liquid fuel? The answer is C. V-2. In what U.S. state was much of the development of the atomic bomb and the first test of an atomic bomb carried out?
The answer is D. New Mexico.
Which book contains the character Mrs. Ramsay? The answer is B. To the Lighthouse. What is the source of the organic matter needed for most fertile soils? The answer is C. Decaying plants. What is the capital of Texas? The answer is C. Austin. Which TV show introduced the CSI format?